I got a 1996 Civic EX with the full GSR swap, 5-speed. I've had it for just about, say, a month. Good daily, but ran into this problem where I try to start it, it won't start. Listen to this, guys. And if I try to give it some gas, nothing. So I was at a buddy's house installing some speakers, and I was ready to leave, and as the car was warming up and idling, the car just died out. I didn't hear the fuel pump prime, so then therefore I thought it was going to be the fuel pump. Went ahead and replaced that one from my project. It was a good fuel pump. Still doesn't prime. I thought it was a relay. I got this from my project. Still didn't start. Then I thought it was my ECU. I went to a nearby shop. I went and I got this tested, and at his shop, fuel pump turns on, everything's good, running. Plugged in my project's ECU, base map, nothing. I've checked all the fuses under the dash, under the hood, and still replaced them to new ones. And I still don't get no start. I wasn't getting any spark, so I switched my distributor from my projects. This is a new one, not new, semi-new. Wasn't that, still not starting up. So really not sure what it could mean now, other than I'm just gonna have to go through the wiring harness and rip that out and add a new one and see what happens. But do you guys have any suggestions what I can do, try? What do you guys thinking can be before I start getting this thing out? It's a B18 C1, fully stock. Nothing too crazy, but just won't start after I already placed all those parts. If you guys have any suggestions, any advice, let me know before I start ripping this thing out.